So look folks, we're going to show you today how to replace the tailgate strut of an Audi A2. So you're going to have one of these things which has got a clip on the end. So you need to lever the clip off, which just literally just clips out like that. He says with an air of confidence of a man who's not done this before. So that just literally clips off, and then that'll just clip into place. And the same with the other end. Okay, so we're going to lever that off down here. So just there, I'm going to lever that off using a screwdriver, something like this. And then we've also got to do the top, which is a little bit out of camera shot. So I'm just going to go for it now. That's the clip coming off. And disappeared into the distance, so that's one off. And that's the other one. A little bit out of the camera shot. Oh, really rusty. So he's off. That's the strut off. So that's one off. Let's put it back on then, folks. So the offset piece goes towards the bottom, like so. He's in. Top piece goes towards that. That's really rusty and horrible, actually. Bit of a tap just to make sure he's on. He isn't. Not on. Just going to get a bit of sandpaper and tidy that up, because that's horrible. There we go. It's nice and easy. So to just show you the clips in a bit more detail, so that's the clip there, which is now clipped in and nice and tight, and that's the clip at the top up there, and it's as easy as that. There you go. So that's the parts that I used, which was from Autodoc. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mark and we've fixed the tailgate on my Audi A2. Thank you and good night.